This is one of the best upgrades you can do. I don't care if you have a Geo Metro or a Chevy Camaro. And that upgrade is cross-drilled and slotted rotors. I have a brand new rotor, or actually a set of rotors, the other one's in the box. But this is from Powerstop. Bought this on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description below. But I have found that any of the vehicles that I do this to, stopping power increases at least 15-20% compared to this old, nasty, glazed over, bluish looking, beat up rotor. So if you can, and this is the only upgrade that you can do on your brake system, go ahead and do it. This is amazing. Very high quality. Straight vanes down there. You can see all the way through to the other side. It's awesome. Like I said, if you guys can only do one upgrade on your brake system, do this. Add rotors to it. Put up other videos about cross-drilled and slide rotors, and guys say, oh, it cracks right here between the holes and this and that. I've never had any cracks happen here, alright? Anything you guys had to say bad about cross-drilled and slide rotors, obviously you've never had a set on your car. These are Bundy approved. If you guys can, I highly, 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 highly recommend putting these on your vehicle.